As students become proficient in rearranging sentences, give them sentence anagrams to solve on their own or with a partner using the different types of sentences and appropriate punctuation. Phrases and clauses can also be grouped together on cards to give students practice in making longer sentences. Students might also discover that sometimes there is more than one correct way to organize sentence parts. Here's one example. In this instance, teachers will want to remind students of which word or words would be capitalized. The sentence that students should end up with is, "The flock of wild ducks landed in the swimming pool to rest." After the sentence is read, the teacher can ask questions like, "Who or what is doing something?"
Wild ducks.
"How many?"
Flock.
"What did they do?"
Landed.
"Where did they land?"
In the swimming pool.
"Why did they land?"
To rest.
Now watch as this teacher continues guiding students in building sentences, explaining that the sentence is complex, a concept we'll discuss in a bit. She also asks questions during the activity rather than after, which is appropriate scaffolding.
Okay, yesterday we worked on building a sentence from our passage on helmet safety.
Yes.
This is the sentence that we built. It is a complex sentence. Let's read it together.
When you wear a helmet, your friends and family will notice.
Your family and friends
friends
will
will
notice. Beautifully read. Now, a complex sentence means that we have an independent clause in there. It can stand on its own, an independent clause here. Your family and friends will notice. And then a dependent clause, when you wear a helmet. It still needs something else here. And whenever it's followed by the word when, that's a good indicator that it's dependent. It's a dependent clause. So what we want to build next is a compound complex sentence, okay? So we're going to use what we have now, but a compound sentence means that we are combining two sentences together. So the first thing we're going to do is, since we're combining two sentences together, would I still need the period here?
No. Yes.
I'm actually going to remove it. The answer is, I'll remove it because we're going to save it for the end of this complex compound sentence, the very end, because now we're going to be combining two sentences. So, when you wear a helmet, your family and friends will notice. A word that we use, the conjunction, it's called a conjunction, that we use to combine two sentences. In this instance, it's going to be the word, this one right here. What is it? And. The word and will be used. Your family and friends will notice. And instead of that period that we removed, I'm looking for another kind of punctuation mark. It's this. We're going to add another comma. Yes, that's what we use to combine two sentences, okay, to form a compound sentence. So a comma followed by the word and. Let's read up to this point, please.
When you wear a helmet, your family and friends will notice. And
So let's go ahead and read the words together.
safe to they have follow want your will.
I love the way everyone participated. That was great. Okay, so now let's reread our sentence and let's listen for the pronoun, the who in this sentence. Ready?
When you wear a helmet, your family and friends will notice.
And they, that's the pronoun, that's the who. Who will notice? Who is the who?
Family and friends.
Fantastic. And they, now it's a verb. They
Will
Follow.
Safe. To.
Let's see.
Wait.
Let's see.
Follow.
And
They will follow safe. No,
They-
safe.
Safe.
Want to safe. Will follow to want to safe. Or how about we put will follow want to safe. Safe habits your.
does that make sense?
No.
No. Okay, let's take it back. So, up to this part, here's the second portion of our compound sentence. And they will,
Follow.
they will,
Want.
follow would be good, but let's try, I heard Annabelle say want.
Want.
They will want to
Follow. Save your habits. Your habits. Your habits.
Oh,
Save habits.
right.
Your
That-
safe habits. Save habits. Period.
And Annabelle wanted to grab for our period. You feel good about it?
Yes.
Let's read our sentence.
When you wear a helmet, your family and friends will notice, and they will want to follow your safe habits.
And this is a beautiful, compound, complex sentence. Excellent work.
Woo!